Eddie, Corey here. Christina told me to send over this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition and really get in a more quality traffic to your door as well. I got your website pulled up here. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Usually the person with the most content at the end of the day wins. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what the content behind it all, it's all content. Google sees it. You can actually switch out the keywords in there as well, and that'll just help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google here and just type in AC Repair Orlando, Florida, FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new. They're kind of like a trial for, they're in test areas, really. So they're trying to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls from those ads. I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in a second. But so these help block out some of those spammy calls from coming from those ads. So these are just another form of paid advertisement, really. Underneath that, we have this little map section here, and to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that little map section, we have all the organic rankings. Really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with all that content, that authoric content, being ranked for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you got 116 referring domains, which is pushing back about 3,500 backlinks. Historically, you've had over 44,000. Backlinks come and go. So right now you're being tracked for 359 keywords. And coming from these keywords, you got 152 clicks every single month to your site on average. So to see where these 152 clicks are actually coming from, this is what people are pulling your website up for. So you have your name for a lot of them. Air conditioning repair Orlando, your 20th position, and there's 200 clicks every month on that one keyword. So you're missing a lot of traffic off these buyer's intent keywords just because you're not ranking for them. AC repair Orlando, 100 clicks every month, your 12th position, missing all the traffic as well off that keyword. HVAC Orlando FL, there's another 100 clicks every month, 14th position, missing the traffic. Orlando air conditioning repair, 90 clicks. We can go to the second page. Orlando FL HVAC, 70 clicks every month. So just really going through these keywords and actually pumping power, really comes down to those backlinks and really driving those keywords, those high authority keywords, or the buyer's intent keywords, I should say. They'll make a big difference for you. Kind of showing you one of your competitions here. This is Dell Air. If we stick them inside of Ahrefs, so they have just under 4,000 backlinks. They're getting a lot of traffic because they're in a lot of different territories as well. But showing you where these 6.4 thousand clicks are coming from, just real quick. They got AC Repair Orlando. They're getting 66 clicks every month with that one keyword. Their first position, there is 600 clicks every month, just that one keyword as well. Air Conditioning Repair Orlando, another 200 clicks, their first position. AC Orlando, another 150 clicks. So really just going through and making sure you're ranking for those keywords that you actually want to rank for. Will make a huge difference in the quality of work. But anyway, if you see any value or just want to reach out and tell me how I did on this video, I'd love to hear from you. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.